Today is we will have a tutorial video for the customizing the paper size of your workspace. If you want to customize your paper size, since the component is two-way large and to your workspace and it doesn't have enough workspace to simulate, you can also customize your paper size. And how will you do that? How will you customize your paper size? Yeah, go to the properties toolbar, uh, look for the settings. As you will see the setting, you will see the okay, let's do call this let's do this. You will see here the format for customization of paper. How will you customize your paper? Depends on your specification or depends on your paper size you want to customize on uh you want the components or devices fit on your work template. So remember, this is your work template. This is your work template here. So if you want to change or customize your paper size, you will see the format size here. You will see the format size in the uh, in the window. So you can either select an A4 vertical, A4 horizontal, A3 format, or A3 format 2. The A3 format 1 is what we call the vertical size. The A3 format 2 is what we call the horizontal size. No? And of course, you can also customize your paper regarding your paper size. You can just click customize and edit this here. No? You can also edit depends on your paper size. But for this tutorial video, I will use an A3 format horizontal to, to do my tutorial. Let's delete here. Another thing is if you want to if you want to if you want to change the simulation speed, you can also change that. If you want to change it to uh, low simulation speeds or high speed, it depends on your how you simulate. You can also change that the response time. This is actually the response time of your simulation. At the same thing, you can also change the orientation of your paper. It could be vertical or horizontal. If you prefer vertical type of design, you can also do that in that way, no? Also vertical, or you can also choose vertical format. Another thing is in display option, you can also insert or activate the display symbolic connection here, or display the number of cables. You want to count the number of cables connected. You can also auto connect the cables. If auxiliary lines cursor, you can also do that. But for this tutorial, I prefer not to use this kind of display option. I'd rather the reference display activate and of course the auto connection cable. Um, Next thing is uh, if you are done with the customization, you can also see on the right corner different option. You can also change the scale point of your print option. The uh, uh, Cartesian coordinate where the simulation will be print out. No? Of course, let's do the let's customize this paper. This setting is an A3 format, no? Format horizontal. If I want to change it in A4 vertical, then click OK. No, OK. You will see if you want to change, if you click the OK button or press the button, it will automatically change the workspace into vertical options on your paper size, or if you prefer the setting with an A3 format, horizontal format, so it change to automatically change with horizontal format. If you want to change it in A3 format, you can also do the A3 format. Just press A to activate it. A3 format. Another thing is if you want to deactivate or activate the grid lines, is what we call the grid lines in your workspace. This is what we call the grid lines, no? Call the grid lines of you. If you want to activate or deactivate the grid lines, you can also do that. Just press or click the in your properties toolbars uh, the grid, no? You can also turn on or turn off the grid. That's it for your customization of your workspace. No, that's it for your customization of your workspace in creating your designs project. Thank you for watching and God bless.